Welcome back to Crypto Nitro, everybody. My name is Finn here with Crypto Nitro, and today we're going to take a look at Lava Finance. Really interesting looking project. A lot to do with real world assets. Right now, real world assets are quietly becoming the most important sector in crypto, and Lava Finance is building the bridge between on-chain crypto and Wall Street stocks right here on Solana. So let me show you why that matters. Let's get into it. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research for every investment you make. So you are on CoinMarketCap, and we can see we're on the RWA protocols category up here. If you look at this sector, while most of the market goes sideways, we can see that RWA tokens are moving. I mean, look at those green looking charts. Look at the 7-day return here on those tokens, and this isn't meme speculation. This is an infrastructure that has been built. So capital always rotates from hype into utility, and real assets are projected to reach over $16 trillion by 2030. We're still in a very early rotation. So if we're talking about institutional validation, we can see that BlackRock's CEO has publicly said tokenization is the next generation of markets, and their fund has already tokenized over 500 million US dollars. We can see right here up to 1.8 billion. So those are very crazy numbers, I would say. Goldman Sachs as well has doubled down, as we can see, a double down on tokenization plans, 3 new funds by the end of the year. So while institutions are building the backbone, we have Lava Finance that is the retail gateway, and it's on Solana. So what exactly is Lava Finance? This is essentially the bridge to Wall Street. Lava Finance is a real world asset platform that lets users trade tokenized stocks like Apple, Tesla, and Nvidia directly on chain. No borders and no banking friction, just a fast and transparent liquidity. You can even see the team down here with all their links to LinkedIn, X, and so on. So we can see there's a real team behind this. Really nice to see. They also have an audit we will get into here in a moment. Like I said, the whole thing runs on Solana and is powered by the Lava liquidity engine, which connects two markets: the crypto liquidity from DeFi and the stock market liquidity from tokenized equities. And all this is run on the two engine thesis. Most projects depend on one market cycle, but we have Lava Finance here that doesn't. So when crypto goes crazy and has a good push, when crypto runs, the LVF token benefits, and when stocks run, the LVF token benefits again. So this isn't a guarantee, it's pretty much a structural resilience. So we have two engines feeding into one ecosystem. But what about trust? Lava Finance focuses heavily on security and transparency. The leadership team is fully doxed and public. You can see them all here: CEO, CFO, and the CMO. We could go to their LinkedIns, like I said earlier, as well as the smart contracts. Those are audited as well with a 96% security score, and that is pretty damn impressive. So like always, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research, read into it yourself, check out the contract for yourself, check out the docs. They have huge docs here that explain everything in detail. So with all this together, with the docs team, fully audited smart contracts, and multi-signature treasury fund, this isn't just blind trust, but we have a verifiable security here, or secured platform here. So how do we get involved in here? Well, as I said, the LVF token is kind of the backbone of the entire ecosystem, and it's going to benefit both from crypto and the stock market side. It's currently in the pre-sale phase right now in stage 3, and as we can see, we have raised a ridiculous amount of money here. So the momentum behind this project is currently huge, with over $1.15 million raised and over 12.5 million in TVL secured already, as well as over 2,500 users that are already in the group and so on. In the future, they have a mainnet and deeper RWA integrations planned for Q3 of this year. So if you want exposure to both crypto volatility and stock market liquidity, Lava Finance is definitely worth to take a look at. So overall, this is definitely a very unique project with tons of momentum, tons of potential, and of course credibility and trust to back it up. Like I said, team is completely public with the 96% rated security audit. So if you want to check them out, like always, links are down in the description. Check it out for yourself. Like always, no financial advice. Yeah, please do that own research, look into it yourself. For me personally, very interesting looking project. I will keep my eye on it. But yeah, I guess I'll see all of you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye bye.